That might be pushing it a little much here.
Hey everybody, it's your resident pancake heathen Ian, and today on How Far Will We Make It, we're going to try to make it here to this picture. Doing our own sound effects. We're going to try to make it to the Leatt staging area sign. I don't know. Everything is pretty low right now. The freezing levels, snow level, everything is like really, really low. So we're going to try to make it up there. It's also super cold outside, so we may be running into some ice baby, but I don't know. So without further ado, let's go.
Let's go. Coming up this road. I used to come up here all the time, like in high school, for example. This was really like across the river there. It was just woods. All of this was just woods. There's a beautiful little drive. You couldn't, in fact, see promontory down there. You know, you couldn't see any of the water. Maybe through the trees a little bit. You can see like these trees over here, they're burnt, and this whole area burned. So they just did a big, giant salvage logging operation up here, and that's been going on for a long time. I mean, just look at this. Look at this view, you know? Well, I'm pretty optimistic we're going to make our destination after all. Pretty good. I wasn't sure how far we'd go today. Not that I can see, but I've got to go slow so I don't pee my pants when I leave the car. I can't believe it. I thought this was going to be wet and icy through here. This is nice. Oh, little birdie! What was that? That was a little tiny. I wonder if it was a hummingbird. I don't think it's leaving fast enough though. I tell you though, man. Ooh, saw something. Yep. I saw something. You see all the black bottoms, boots with the fur. Wait, what? Apple bottom jeans. This road used to be hammered, and now it's even worse. Okay. Well, I gotta stop and get into ludicrous mood, as I like to say. Oh, here we go. All right, now we can have some fun. I honestly, I thought we'd be in snow by now. Oh yeah, we're going to do. Yep. Am I the only one that makes sounds when you hit potholes? Oh, Jesus. That was a little crazy. Yep. I rode a trail up here. It was an 801B, I think. Yeah, that was one of those times. I took this thing, 1,100 African twin, and like, we're 250s, right? And I went down this super steep stuff out here with these switchbacks. I was like, oh dear Lord, if I tip over, it's gonna be fun. Which I never did, but I'll tell you something. I came out, it was a dad and his dog, or two girls. I passed them on the way up, and dude, he looked at me and then did a double take, like, wait, you just came out of there on that? So, yeah, I'm not the only one out here. There's somebody else out here riding. That's good. I think we're going to keep going because there's the sign I was thinking about stopping at. Wasn't sure if we could make it. But let's keep going. I gotta tell you, I'm really surprised there's no snow here. I thought this would just be covered. Damn, I wonder if we can ride all the way around, kids. Alright. A good little ride today. Uh-oh. We have snow. I don't know if I can make it past this. But this is starting to tell me I can't ride all the way around if we're starting to get a little bit here. Oh, a couple big old trees down. Wow. Oh, by the way, it's 32 degrees, so some of this stuff might start getting slick. I don't know what side I want to ride on. That rocks. Woo-wee! That was slickery. That was slick. What did you get the 4610 right now? Whew, man, I can feel that temperature change. Yowzers. I can feel the acid slipping around there too. The question for all the experienced riders out there, I do not consider myself one of those. Right now I've got traction control off, and what do you think? Better to have it on? Better to have it off? I don't know. In my truck, if I'm out trucking, I would say better to have it on. Yep, feet down. We can make it through this. Here we go. Maybe. Whee! Alright. Look at there, kids. Look at all the frost everywhere. The problem is I've got to turn around because with the amount of snow that we're seeing, I know that I've got about another 500 or 600 feet of elevation gain to go over the next hill, so I'm not going to be able to go over there. Damn, this is slick. I'm almost to the other road. I'm almost there. I want to be on the downhill side. I think I'm going to be on the uphill side. Ooh, yeah. That might be pushing it a little much here. I'm not going to go down that because I'll probably never get up it. Here we are.
Well, everybody, this is as far as we made it. We made it a lot further than I thought we were going to. I wanted just to make it way back there to the staging area with the sign, and there was no snow down there. But as you saw, we're in it now. It's pretty icy. It's actually 32 degrees out. And my second place that I wanted to show and I wanted to try and get to was the infamous Road 4610. Yes, we spent a lot of time on that this summer. It's a great little path to sneak up the Clackamas River off-road away from everybody and get up by Timothy Lake, get up to Olali Lake, the power line road that we had the video on. All of that is just all up here. Try not to fall. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Until next time, eat more pancakes.